Hi, my name is Willow Hand, and right now we are at Salon Icon in Nashville, and I'm super excited because I am having my hair done for the first time in 2 years. So I've been traveling so much over the past couple of years that it's been really hard to feel settled and find a good place to start getting my hair done regularly. And I've had a little bit of fun kind of playing it with it myself. I've been kind of cutting and coloring it myself for a little while, and I'm really having fun with the short hair, but I feel like I'm not doing it as much justice as I could be doing. So I am super excited to be here today to shape it up and get a little bit of a refresh. I'm in the best hands with Phillip here, and I'm just so excited.
What's up, guys? I'm Phillip Foresto. We're here at Salon Icon in Nashville, and today I have the amazing opportunity to do Willow's hair for the very first time. I'm super duper excited because Willow has an amazing foundation, an amazing base to start with, and my goal is just to create something authentic and beautiful, warm and glowy that's going to suit her, and it's going to be amazing.
It's gonna be so much fun.
So let's get started.
Yeah.
So when was the last time that you colored it?
Maybe like 4th of July weekend, I would say. Yeah, but I just did like a little bit. I didn't do a whole lot then. I think before that, maybe sometime in like May was the last time I did went a little bit more in with it.
Awesome. So right now we're starting in the nape of Willow's neck. And what I'm doing is I'm trying to connect the back of her hairline to the front of her hairline. I'm working with medium-sized weaves, and we're back combing for lots of texture and diffusion for the most natural, softest grow out possible, but something that's gonna definitely pop and be impactful.
I'm excited. I just can't wait to see it. And I was like, okay, maybe this is not working.
Dude, right?
Maybe.
Like right before an event?
Yeah,
Like
it was like,
the least okay time?
yeah. I know, it wasn't Fashion Week. I was going to Germany for like 2 months to work, and then they had like sent my book and my portfolio all around to everybody of me with like blonde hair, and then I show up and my hair was like almost black.
Was it because of the darkness?
Yeah, because I was like, I don't know how to get rid of this, and I didn't want to like bleach it out or anything. And then I just kind of like waited for it to grow out a little bit, and then kind of just like restarted, honestly. Then slowly brought myself like back to like a copper blonde, then back to kind of where we're at now.
Well, I can promise you that we're on the same page.
Yes, no, I know. From seeing all your work and stuff, I was like, okay, I can get behind this.
Yeah.
Like, this is great.
Sometimes it just like lines up to where what you want is what I enjoy doing, and that's when magic happens.
Yeah.
And so that's why I'm like really specific as to who I take, just like you are specific to who you allow to do your hair. And so when those two meet, magic happens with the hair.
Exactly. We were living in New York during the pandemic, and I grew up like on a horse farm in Florida. And I loved New York, but it was just like not somewhere where I really saw myself long term.
Sure.
And then as soon as COVID happened, I actually was almost stuck in Milan during COVID because I was there for Fashion Week.
Really?
And when they shot everything down, and I was on the last Delta flight back to New York from Milan.
No way.
We started freaking out, and we booked 2 flights, one at 10 a.m. and one at 11. And my 10 a.m. flight went, and the 11 one was canceled. All right, so we're in progress. We're mixing another batch of lightener, and we're coming along. We've got like maybe halfway done, maybe a little bit more than half, but I'm excited. It's coming out really well. Ooh,
Perfect.
ready.
So what we're gonna do, my process is, just because I like to nerd out about it a little bit, is we're gonna pull all these out one by one to ensure that every single one is perfect, not over processed in the exact same tone.
Love that.
And then we're gonna shampoo you, and I'm gonna give you a gloss to essentially marry the new highlights in with the old ones and give it a total refresh in tone.
Perfect. Yeah.
Then we're gonna come back to the chair for like 10, 15 minutes, and I'm going to melt over your regrowth and over your root and over the beginning of these highlights to make it look like it literally grew out of your head.
Perfect.
Appreciate you guys for coming in today and trusting me with your hair. I know that's a very difficult task.
Of
so
course. No, I felt like I was in good hands.
I appreciate that.
I pull the foils before they're done. Like, that's what I do.
To be honest, that happens to a lot of hairstylists.
Yeah.
So they're like, they're over questioning it and they pull it, it's too soon or it's too late.
Like, I'm not gonna totally redo it and like try to replace things because then I'm just gonna make everything like muddy feeling. Oh,
Totally.
so then it's a little bit awkward.
I have about 5 foils left in this application, and as soon as they're done with these last 5, I'm gonna hop into the back and start pulling foils that are already fully done processing. And then we're gonna continue to pull them out one by one as they become ready for a perfect, healthy, seamless application.
All right, all the foils are in. I'm gonna start pulling some out.
That's right. This is actually my favorite part because it's still pretty early in the game, but it gives us the opportunity to see what our placement is doing and to see what our dimension is gonna look like. So I personally really enjoy this part. Perfect.
Oh, that was so good.
And what I did particularly, even though this is doesn't mean anything to you probably, but I put all these foils here in your crown area on kind of like this diagonal back section so that it falls with lots of really beautiful movement.
I noticed the angles that you were slicing everything at were like really nice.
It's all about the angles.
Yeah,
I'm sure as a top model, you know it's all about the angles, right?
all about the angle.
That's right.
And we were like literally I always do it the night before I go to Europe for whatever reason. I get like really fired up and I'm like, let me do my own hair. This is a great idea where there's like no time to correct if I've messed something up or not. And so I tried to do like the Scandi hairline and then it just went like quite poorly. I think I put it on like way too soon. And so then it blonded out a lot faster than like the rest of everything did. But it's just like took so unevenly and strange. And then we went to Saint-Tropez the next day. I remember just getting to Saint-Tropez and looking at it and being like, what have I done here? This is not good. This is not what I thought I was going to do. So
It's the color.
yeah,
So I'm very excited for that.
makes it really pop.
It does.
Well, that's the thing when you're doing blonde. If you go all blonde, then it has no dimension. It doesn't even look
Right.
like anything, you know. It needs the dark for the light to pop.
Amen.
All right, so we're at the bowl now, pulling the last of the foils, and then it's time to gloss.
We've already started to see the magic happen.
Yay. All right, it's time to get glossy.
All right, so right now we're in the toning portion of the service, and to be completely honest, this is one of my favorite parts of the service is because this is where we get to customize Willow's color. So what my toner is doing in this situation is it's marrying together our new highlights with her pre-existing color, but also giving her an overall change with her tone, which is designed to match her skin tone, make her eyes pop, and keep her hair really shiny and beautiful. So we got some golds, neutrals, beiges, and a couple beautiful warm tones that I concocted to give her the perfect customized tone.
So good.
Well, in my opinion, cuts and colors are obviously essential, but the health of the hair is beautiful hair.
Yeah, I had my hair was just so fried off by the fashion industry that I can't remember. It was 2022 maybe. I just went on a whole deep dive and did just a whole hair journey to totally fix all of the damage, and it was quite successful, as you can see.
Yeah, very smart move on your end. Some people let it ride.
Oh my gosh, yeah, it actually fixed it too.
Absolutely.
It was a long process too. It took a full year of no heat, totally changing everything I was doing, oiling, masking obsessively, trimming constantly, to get rid of as much that as I could.
And that's why you did it correctly, because a lot of people will buy one mask and give it 2 weeks, and if their hair's not fixed, they're like,
oh, that didn't work.
right.
It's like, that's not how it works.
That's not how it works.
Not how it
Like, it works. You didn't work it. All right, we're gonna go right back to my chair, and we're gonna melt these roots.
Let's go.
Ah, it's so good already.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
All right, now I'm really excited.
Right. I mean, already our depth, our dimension towards the root,
Oh, good.
our brightness of the face piece is coming out right there. Beautiful.
So good already. Like, just the depth and dimension is amazing. This is gonna be very good. So good. The more I see it, like,
Right.
just so good.
Yeah, she's coming to life.
Yeah.
Look slightly down for me. Beautiful. So right now what we're doing is actually my favorite part of the process, and it has a few different names. It could be a root tap, a color melt, you name it, a couple different names. But essentially what this is doing is giving the pre-existing color, the new highlights, a connection to her actual natural base color. So that no matter how this fades or how long she goes in between appointments, it's seamless and it looks like it grew out extremely naturally.
Oh, that's warm. That feels good.
All right, love, right back to the chair. We did it.
Back we go. I'm a nun again.
You're a nun again.
A nun. Oh my gosh.
Yes.
So good. So good.
That's right. Now we're natural. Now we're lived in. Now we're that expensive look.
Yeah. So gorgeous. All right, we are all done with the color now, and now it's time to do a little cut.
We're gonna come back into these more when it's dry. I want to see how it's
See how it's
filed.
moving. Yeah. Yeah, it makes sense.
This is gonna be our base cut. I'm gonna style you, and then we're gonna go ahead and refine that cut just a little bit.
Yeah. Looks so good. All right, I'm already excited.
It's just so like creamy and blended, just perfect. It's amazing. Ah,
Beautiful, huh?
so good. Ah, just the dimension is so good.
If I don't slip and die by the end of this, it's gonna be a miracle.
We're obsessed with it already. I'm just like dying to see all of it. And, like as you're blowing it out too, it's just like it's so blended and seamless. It's insane. Like it's literally like no lies at all.
Thank you.
But it still has the dimension. It's not like it's all the same color because it's not.
No, definitely not.
It's got all the depth.
And as you flip it around, it'll show off different areas of depth and give you like some options.
Yeah.
And then we give it one good zhuzh.
Right. Oh my gosh. I mean, just like insane. Look at that. I mean, just the way it's sitting is just so good, you know?
Yeah.
It's just sitting like up off it and then it goes like
Let's go.
to the side. So good.
You happy?
I love it. Oh
Beautiful.
my gosh. That's just like, this doesn't get better than that.
Gorgeous. So in terms of like the weight of the haircut, I took like a tiny bit of weight out of the ends and left it kind of like a little bit more full. Do you want to take more weight out, or do you like the way it's?
I like full at the ends. Like I like it pretty like chunky feeling at the bottom.
Sure, I did too.
Yeah.
Honestly, like I would say maybe a touch more from like here. Like just a little bit more light, but like honestly, like it's good.
Like lift some of this up a little
A
bit.
little bit,
Yeah,
yeah. Maybe
let's
just
do
a
that.
touch more like layery.
Totally, I agree.
A tiny bit.
We'll start. We'll inch it so that we can stop at the perfect point.
Work our way there.
Absolutely. But making this move.
Yes, I agree. Oh my god, that's it. Look at that. Oh, so good.
Good stuff.
It's so good.
Beautiful.
Amazing.
All I want to do with you now at this, look at that depth. I love
Look
that.
at that. Oh, okay, we are all done and it turned out so amazing. I'm just obsessed with all of the depth and the lightness and the volume that the cut has. And I mean, the color is just perfect. It's light and bright, but it's not too much. And there's still enough natural tone to give it just a really nice blend. So thank you for coming along on this journey with me. It turned out so amazing.